I'm not interested. Partnership at all. Then third one is limited partnership. I'm not interested. Then third one is sole proprietor partnership. And third one is corporation. Okay, corporation. How can I which is the common form of business organization is corporation. Okay, corporation, sir. How can I become an owner of the corporation? To become a shareholder. How can I become a shareholder? Paying cash. I do not have a cash. What else? Property. This property is eligible or this property is not eligible. You need to know. We have to explore what property is eligible, what property is not eligible. What else? I do not have property. Then past services. I'm a legal advisor of the corporation. I'm a chartered accountant of the corporation. I'm an employee of the corporation. Okay. Three things. Corporation. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay. Then, oh, sorry. Franchise and licensee. Franchise and licensee. I'm not interested to become owner of the corporation. Kamal bhai, yes. I am not interested to become a owner of the corporation. What else? You gave me advice, franchise and licensee. Franchise and licensee. So I have no idea what is difference between franchisee and licensee. What is difference? You are my legal advisor, sir. You are my, excuse me, you are my lawyer. Okay, you just gave me advice to start franchisee and licensee, right? What is difference between franchisee and licensee?
So I think franchisee is like when you buy basically everything, like the full package, like you get like rights to whatever IP they have and everything. And then the licensee is like you're paying for like use.
Give me any.
Yeah, so like, you know, I want to be a franchisee of Tim's, so I'm going to go buy a Tim's.
I'm owner of Tim Horton is a franchisee.
Yes. Yeah.
This is my Tim Horton. Actually, this is not my Tim Horton. This is my McDonald's franchisee. I'm a yeah.
In franchisee, the franchisee they hold all on every hold, like whatever is.
Okay. This is my KFC.
Yeah. So they have a hold.
I'm a franchisor.
But they have a hold on your business.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just try to understand what is difference between I'm a lawyer. I'm a franchisee.
No.
You're given a license.
I'm a licensee.
Yeah.
So need to know, okay, I'm a lawyer. It means I'm not a franchisee. I'm a licensee. You are a paralegal.
Yes.
You are a franchisee.
No.
Who you are?
Licensee.
Licensee. You are real estate agent. Who you are? Licensee. Oh, this is that's your McDonald's. Are you licensed? Franchisee. So there is a difference. Okay. You are giving me advice, Aamer, become a franchisor or become a licensee. Okay. What is different? There was one exam question. Who is a control? Okay. Who is a franchisor? Franchisee. Franchisor, franchisee. Franchisor, franchisee, licensee. I'm a licensee, I'm a lawyer. You are okay, I'm a licensee, I'm a lawyer. Okay, you are you are a franchisee. Who has a control?
Franchisor.
Who has control over franchisee? Who has a more control? If comparison, for example, you know what? I'm very independent person. Sometimes, you know, I open my business. Okay, you know, I'm very open-minded guy. Sometimes I'm gonna open my business 9 o'clock early in the morning. Sometimes I'm gonna open my business 10 o'clock. Sometimes I'm gonna open my business 11 o'clock. Sometimes Saturday I'm not gonna work. Sometimes Monday to Friday whole time I'm not gonna work out. So which is appropriate?
Licensee.
Licensee. Very good, licensee. Because franchisee, Tim Horton, you have to open 24/7. You have to open 24/7. So they have, it means my liberty would be more limited in franchisee as compared to licensee. If I'm a lawyer, I'm not gonna open my office today. If I'm a franchisee, can you say I have to close my Tim Horton today? There is we have to, okay, it's an exam question. Okay, can you read last paragraph of franchisor and franchisee? Last paragraph.
Last, licensees and franchises
Yeah,
are
no, no, maza nahi aa
independent
raha bolne.
contractors.
Speak louder.
Licensees and franchises are
Can you speak
independent
louder?
contractors.
Okay.
The key licensee and franchisees are independent contractors. The key distinction between a franchisee and a licensee is the greater ongoing involvement of a franchisor in the business of the franchisee compared to that exercised by a licensor in the business of a licensee.
You got it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Our key distinction between franchisee and a licensee is the greater ongoing involvement and control. Who has a more control? Franchisor. Law society has less control over the licensee. Limited control. But they have unlimited control. It's an exam question. Who have more control? Joint venture. Aftab bhai, you gave me advice for first advice was soul. यार इनको कह दो कि यार सर प्लीज इनको कहो कि यार बंद कर दो यार.
Let's just cut out.
Yeah. Okay, so
Anyways.
I'm gonna delete this guy. Sorry about that. Just for 1 second. Harpreet, I'm gonna delete you, and Pushpinder, I'm gonna delete you within 1 minute. If you will not gonna turn off your camera and will not gonna turn off your mic, I'm gonna delete you within 2 minutes. Pushpit and other guy is now his turn. If you have a communication problem, camera बंद कर दो और उसके अलावा नाल अपना माइक भी बंद कर दो प्लीज. यार 36 दफा कह चुका हूँ यार. Unbelievable. We have to become a lawyer. Anyway. Okay. Joint. Okay. After okay. Whatever. यार आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name? Ali. Being a lawyer, you gave me advice for. First advice was sole proprietorship. I'm not interested. Second was partnership. 3 kind of partnership. Third was common form of business organization is corporation. Fourth was franchisee and licensee. What is difference between we already knew. Fifth is joint venture. What is joint venture, sir? Joint venture. Why I'm gonna set up? What is joint venture actually? Just think about it.
Shared ownership, sir.
Association between two persons.
Association between 2 persons. Joint venture. Joint venture. For example, I have a money. She has a mind. She is minded people. I have a money. I'm an investor. But she has mind. So we're gonna start as a joint venture. Right? Joint venture. Okay, one question is joint venture. Okay, for example, we have to build a building. We have to make a big building. Okay, I'm an investor and you're gonna take care of all electricity. So we have to set up as a joint venture. So whether joint venture, so we are joint venture, right? So joint venture. So joint venture would be a partnership or not? For example, partnership. He's my partner. Just it's very important point. He's my partner. Partners are responsible of each other. One partner, wrong mistake. If you're gonna do the wrong mistake, rest of the partner would be responsible. All partners are responsible of each other, right? If we 5 people are partners, we 5 people are responsible of the partnership. Any loss, any profit, any suit, anything gonna be happen, we 5 people would be responsible. But now we are going for joint venture. So joint venture has what gonna happen? There would be a partnership. Whether if he gonna do mistake, whether I would be responsible, because in partnership, sir, I would be responsible. Your mistake, being a partner, I would be responsible. She would be responsible. What do you think in joint venture? If anything gonna be happen, we both are responsible for action of each other? No. Can you read partner joint venture, please? Can you read? Yeah, can you read?
From the beginning of it? There is no precise legal definition for joint ventures. Various meanings have been attributed to the term, including a